And no peeking.
I know peeking.
Who's peeking? Okay.
No
No peeking. No peeking.
Is it gonna be the same thing?
Okay. Now what your job is to make the same exact smiley face that I do. That I have.
I don't know.
Well, so go ahead and make
Sure.
your smiley faces.
Oh my God, that looks better than I have. What can I do?
It's gotta look just like mine.
Chocolate. A cup. Marshmallows. A cup of marshmallows. I don't know how.
Make it look just like mine. Maybe you could ask for help if you don't know how.
Can I have some marshmallows?
I like what Leah's doing. I'm gonna make mine look.
I'm gonna look mine happy.
Yeah, make them real happy.
I need some marshmallows. Okay, I might have got too much.
Ah.
Could I just eat some?
Yeah, why not?
Cheese crackers, please. What do you say?
I don't know. You'll have to wait.
Is that a bite?
No. Are you just eating marshmallows? Ooh, that looks good, Logan.
Ooh. Yeah. I still might have gotten too much. I think I got way too much. Okay. And then I need some. Don't eat it, Logan.
What did you find those treats?
Look at my happy face.
Did it go on
Look at my happy face. Look at my happy face.
Ooh, that's good.
Ella, the cheese crackers and the guacamole room.
Okay. Thank you, Leah.
You're welcome.
Did you get some?
I want some.
And you eat some, goofball. Hey, does Leah's look like mine?
No.
No. The nose